put a little bit of milk in here. I use 2 brownie boxes, 2 eggs, a cup and a half of milk, and 2 caps of oil. Wait. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try to see. It's smooth. Baby! Oh my god, you doo-doo. Tintie butt, ew, you doo-doo on the floor. Yo, my dog doo-doo on the floor. Why would you do that? And a pad right there. Come on. My dog doo-dooed on the floor. I thought you loved me, Tintie. You wanna embarrass me. Okay, stop it. Stop walking. Come back. Okay, I'm finna get my brownies out. Yep. Let me do a taste. And she's done. She is done. Put a fork in her. She's done, baby. I'm in the hood with the release. Oh. How many pieces I want to cut this into? I want to cut it in half down the middle.
Jesus. Yay, baby. Yeah, it's kind of uneven. One half of it is bigger than the other half, and I'm going to eat from that side first. I'm going to do a taste. You see my insides. They soft. They moist. Mmm. 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 I feel like it needs chocolate chips. It needs chocolate chips sprinkled on the top of it as soon as it comes out the oven, or like right before it comes out the oven. That's what it needs. And crunchy on the top. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. My name is Fat Ash and my booty's flat, but that's irrelevant because I'm going to throw it back. But not today. You know, just share, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can be notified every time I raise hell. And, I'll see you in the next video. Oh, yeah. And about my nails, I kind of messed up. A little bit. If you're going to do the super glue and baking soda thing on your nails, make sure that you don't get the super glue on your skin. Because if you get the super glue on your skin and you put the baking soda, it's going to harden right there on your skin. And you're not going to be able to take it off your skin. And then your nails are going to look like shaped funny. So, yeah. And if you got cuts on your hand, it burns so bad. Don't do it if you got cuts. Anyway, yep, that's it.